What's the most popular floor plan today? If you said a one-story, a bungalow, or a bungalow loft, you're right. And behind me is a brand new, well, almost brand new, it's 1 year old bungalow loft. It is over 1,700 square feet with another 1,000 square feet in the unfinished basement, which has very high ceilings, so it's great for finishing. The home features on the main level an open concept, and it has a master bedroom with ensuite, and it has another den, or you can utilize it as a bedroom as well. Then there's 2 other bedrooms in the loft with a bathroom. Before I take you on the tour inside the house, I'd like to introduce you to our company name. Our company name is Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty Services. What does that mean to you? Is that we have a guarantee. We guarantee that we will sell your home or we'll buy it. That takes the dilemma out of you owning 2 homes. So if you buy this home, we'll ensure the sale of yours. So come on, let's take the tour. If after the tour you are interested in having a personal viewing or more details on any portion of the house or our guarantee, I'm Allison Walsh at 905-332-2207. Give us a call and one of our team members will be happy to walk you through our new property up for sale. Thank you. I'm Allison Walsh with Guaranteed Real Estate Services, and I'm very proud of our company. We support Jurabinsky Cancer Patient Care in Hamilton. It's an organization that helps cancer patients during, before, and after treatment. And how we support them is that on every home that we sell, a portion of our commission goes directly to Jurabinsky. So if you're thinking of making a move, call us. You're going to get great service and you're going to help cancer patients. So give us a call at 905-332-2207 and have yourself a great day.